This is how I want you to dimension it. So I'm going to go over this here. Okay. I want you to create a layer, the name of which is A01 dim, and then A02 dim as well for the second floor, and make A01 dim current. So from there, make A01 dim current. Okay, going back to our presentation, you see here the dimensions, or how we add dimension. By the way, there's a setup for imperial as well. So this will be for imperial. Okay, so that's the setting for imperial. Here then imperial. Okay, so all the settings are here. Okay, we go down to the application of our dimension. So go back to our CAD exercise 3, and you see there under CAD exercise 3 the dimension. Or I think it's 4, sorry. CAD exercise 4. Is it 5 already when we do dimension? Now here, 4, sorry. So when we do dimensioning, we dimension or use a 3-tier dimension. The first tier will be the rooms, and then the second tier will be the opening. Okay, so rooms and then opening. I prefer that versus this one, opening and then room. So we'll try to invert that. So how do we do it? We go to linear or down arrow. There are different ways of dimensioning. So linear, right? It's always vertical or horizontal when you use linear. And then you have aligned, so it will align to the angle of your dimension. If you want to dimension the angle, you can also do that. Arc length, dimension of radius, diameter, ordinate, and jogged. Okay, so normally we use linear, and since we're dimensioning the room, we'll start with the end or exterior face of the wall. So we'll start here, and then here we dimension the center of the wall. So right there, if you don't have midpoint, go down here and make sure midpoint is checked. Okay, midpoint, and then bring it down. Not too far, not too close. So maybe somewhere here. Okay, and then you say dim C for dim continue. Dim C, shortcut for dim continue. And then you can now select the exterior face of the wall. And then enter to end the process. So that's your first tier of dimensioning. You have your exterior face, middle of walls, and then exterior face again. Now, but here you don't want this line to go up to this point. So you can select this and then click on that grip mark, make it hot by selecting it, and then place it somewhere here so that it doesn't intersect with the wall itself. Okay, so again, select using crossing, so it just selects the two dimension lines. The dimension line for this and this dimension.